Tired of this? Enough of that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to roll your duvet cover nice and easily. Hey friends, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Just a little bit out of breath. A few years ago, I discovered this new technique for how to roll up your duvet cover, and it is very helpful. I hate struggling with duvet covers like that. It always takes so long, knocks out the wind out of you, and if you're doing this right before bed, it's kind of the last thing you want to be doing then. So I saw this technique going around on social media for a while, and it's called the burrito method or something like that. The roll technique has lots of different names, but yeah, it's pretty mind-blowing. It actually works as quickly as they show online. So in case you're not familiar with the technique, I'm going to show you how to do it in today's video. And so the very first thing you want to do is actually start with your duvet cover inside out. Now what you're going to do is lay your duvet on top of the bed sheet. Now what you're going to do is you're going to start at the top of the duvet and roll it like a burrito, or like a Swiss roll, I guess, all the way to the bottom. Make sure your corners are aligned before you start rolling, and just start. Now what you want to do, it's kind of hard to describe, but it's really easy to do when you're physically doing it. But you want to essentially take the end of the duvet cover and the duvet, kind of where the roll is, and you want to feed it through the opening of the duvet cover. So again, with your rolled up duvet cover, you have this end, the Swiss roll part, and then you have the opening of the duvet cover. So start by opening it up and then push the Swiss roll through. So kind of like this. And now you'll actually be able to do that for the whole duvet. And from here, what you have, turn it around, is your duvet rolled up, but now you're looking at the outside of it. So what you can do here is just unroll it. And that's basically it. So now, if I hold it up, maybe turn it around here, that the duvet cover is fully in. The corners are up here, it's perfectly aligned to the top. It's not bunched up in the middle or anything. So I can just go around, make sure the corners are in. See, it's all the way at the bottom. Do it on the other side, and just zip it up. So there it is. Look, fully in. It's perfectly square, not bunched up anywhere, and just from rolling it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like to let me know. If there's any other tutorials you'd like to see, just let me know in the comments. Until next time, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as I have a new tutorial. Bye!